The day I decided I wanted to be a developer, I started looking for courses online, and I started looking at the different programming languages I could learn. And what I did is I basically looked at which looked interesting, and also which courses had teachers that talked in a way that I found interesting. You know, I pretty much chose the teacher first. And what I see a lot of people do is they choose the programming languages, they go on YouTube, they watch my videos, a lot of other videos telling you which programming language you should learn. And I think I chose my programming languages the wrong way. And I think if you're watching on YouTube trying to find the right programming languages, you're probably going to choose for the wrong reasons. And here's why. The videos on YouTube that tell you about programming languages, a lot of them, what they do is they just tell you, oh, it's a good programming language to code in, it's fun to code in, it's fast, it's blah, 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 blah. Who fucking cares? The only thing you should care about is whether or not people are willing to pay a lot of money for it, whether or not it's in demand, whether or not you're gonna get a job with it. The opinion of developers coding in the language, as far as I'm concerned, does not fucking matter, because you're not the ones putting money in your pocket. You're not the ones creating jobs. It's the clients. So what you need to understand is when you choose programming languages, it doesn't fucking matter when the guy on YouTube tells you that it's a fast language, that it's blah, 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 blah. If he's not talking about money, it doesn't fucking matter. The only thing that matters when you're self-taught especially is whether or not you're gonna get a job and how much you're gonna get paid for it per hour. Because I'm going to be real with you, I don't think if you're going to start, for example, with C#, you're going to get a good career prospect. Even if it's a great language, it's really interesting, a lot of people love it. Look, I don't fucking care. Like, they don't want to hire beginner C# developers who don't have degrees. So you're kind of fucked up if you're going with C#. Doesn't matter how cool C# is. You're not going to get a job. You're not going to start freelancing and just selling C# projects, right? Think also about the fact that whether or not you want to do freelancing or get a normal job, it's also going to change which languages are going to be best for you. I think if you want to do freelancing, you're going to want to learn JavaScript, a bit of PHP, and learn the technology called WordPress as well. Because as a web developer, that's where freelancing opportunities and really lucrative freelancing opportunities lie, in my opinion. We're making right now over $85 an hour pretty consistently, and that's pretty amazing. And it's really easy to find freelance jobs for web developers right now. If you want to get a normal job, I'd say focus on JavaScript. The reason for that is that right now it's the #1 most in-demand programming language right now. And when I checked on Indeed which ones are paid the most, it's one of the most paid languages for web developers, so it's pretty good there. If you want to learn more about web development, I'm going to tell you a lot about what I've learned through me learning as a self-taught developer, me getting a job, me becoming a freelancer in my next videos. If you want to see that, if you want to hear the lessons that I've learned, you're going to want to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next videos. Take care.